looks. They actually print your signature on there, so you don't have to sign it or anything. It's made out of metal. Looks pretty cool. Wanted to start using a debit card instead of a credit card, so I thought I'd try this card out. For $3 a month, they invest your money. You can save for retirement. Any retailers or certain places that have cash back, they actually invest that money, so you might get like 5%, 1%, whatever the case may be. Cool little card. Well, you don't have to use credit if you don't want to. Still, you get this little metal card if that's what you're looking for, and a way to invest your money without thinking about it. So definitely check them out, and comment below about what you think about it. Looking forward to reading comments.